This video will be a demonstration of the door strike application as illustrated in the DI manual. You can see that the power supply is being shared between the DI and the door strike using the normally open relay. For this video, the DMM will stand in as the door strike. You can see that the power supply is connected to the power input of the DI, which is being shared through a jumper to the normally open relay, which then connects to the DMM. Go ahead and power on the unit, and you will see a red blinking, meaning it is in pairing mode. Press the doorbell and wait for the live view to come up. Accept, and you will notice a chime symbol in the upper right. Press that to get into the pairing mode on the MS. Enter the admin password and add DI. Check to see if the mode switch on the top left of the DI is set to A. Press the pairing button for 1 second. Okay, now you will have to give it a name. You may wish to give it a name similar to or the same as the DS that it's connected to. The DI is not defaulted to unlock. You will have to go to the unlock settings and switch that on. Give it a duration, and you may also change the chime tone or mute it if you wish. Okay, it is time to test if your wiring is correct. Go ahead and press unlock and see if the DMM shows the voltage. Great, your door strike is set up.